What's up, Kings? A pre-playoff break today, hoping to pull some dazzlers of Uri or Kuzmenko. This retail boxes are really the cheapest way to get young guns, so it should be one per 4 packs, so it's really less than 12 US dollars per young gun. And our first young gun is Dylan Holloway, who belongs to the vast majority of Oilers forwards who cannot do anything on the ice. Yeah, unfortunately, E-Pack really killed the value of all these low-end young guns. Lunchbox legends of McDavid. I think here Upper Deck is trying to copy Panini's cereal box inserts from Donruss basketball, but God, this look weird. Yeah. Actually, in basketball, I think they would look okay, but in hockey. And our first red dazzle is Vladislav Kalachonok, who I think is currently the only Belarusian player in the league. Unfortunately, he is struggling mightily. Kevin Mandolese. Oh my God, who are these guys? Like, how Upper Deck even finds like these players? Because I think I follow hockey relatively closely, or closer than like 95% of the population, and I didn't even like suspect that players like Kevin Mandolese exist. Yeah, with this garbage young guns not holding any value, the only way forward is to pull some good dazzlers, which are not on E-Pack, but we pull like Cole Koepke, who I think is a 25-year-old rook. Which is, of course, yeah, really rough. They should also, I think, so these red dazzlers are 2 per retail box. There should be one blue dazzler. Oh, and actually we finally pull a young gun of a player who is doing reasonably well in the league. I think Johnston is a first round pick, scoring something like 0.5 points per game. So a first somewhat promising rook in this box. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with Johnston pool, because whenever you go into these boxes, especially like Series 2 boxes, which tend to be somewhat weaker than Series 1 boxes, although the situation is quickly changing with Upper Deck running so late with the releases. And we pull Brandon Biro, who I also unfortunately have never heard about. So an immense struggle with young guns in this box. Yeah, in general, the draft class this year is not mind-blowing. Uri is struggling. Shane Wright is essentially failing the season. And Kuzmenko is really the only rook who is doing somewhat reasonably, but yeah, he's also something like what, like 27 years old or what. And our blue dazzler is Trey Fix-Wolansky, who is 5'6" forward, who is mostly playing with Cleveland Monsters. How do I know about him? Well, because somehow I tend to pull his cards in every product I buy. And Elmer Soderblom is, yeah, he's a much better rook than like Trey Fix-Wolansky. I saw him in a couple of games for Red Wings. Actually, I used to watch a lot of Red Wings this season because I expected that they will really take a step forward, but yeah, they didn't. And yeah, Elmer Soderblom definitely has some flashes of skill, but God, he is inconsistent. Yeah, so I'm not so sure about his future even on this subpar Red Wings team, which didn't manage to take a step forward to the playoffs this year. David Jiricek for Columbus. Oh my God, who are these guys? Like, Upper Deck, why are you doing this this to me? Like, how can this be so incredibly painful? And another lunchbox legend of Cale Makar. Well, this box wasn't a total disaster, but nothing really to write home about. So, Young Guns of Johnston and Soderblom, and then this Blue Dazzler of Fix-Wolansky.